with ingredients like rice noodles, shallots, garlic, scrambled eggs, just to name a few. Pad Thai is a popular stir-fried noodle dish from Thailand, but you don't have to go crossing oceans and time zones to get the best Pad Thai noodles. You can find them right here on Delmarva.
We are here with Jack Chen, the owner of OC Chopsticks.
Welcome. Yeah.
Thank you to have me here.
Yeah.
And
So we're
very nice to meet you today.
Nice meeting you as well.
Good. Hey,
and
Lisa.
we're going to get to the Pad Thai in a few moments. But first, you are going to make some mango shrimp.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's also, so I'm going to make the Thai dish today. So
Okay.
like first dish is mango shrimp.
Right.
Okay.
Right? Okay, so are we ready
We are
to
ready.
start now?
Yeah, let's
Yep.
do it.
So let's broil this first. This is a snow peas.
A snow peas.
A snow peas and some the red peppers.
And peppers. And that's going, you're boiling it. That's
yeah,
interesting.
so we just have to like, broil this and then put this one under the dish. Okay. So making sure this is hot. now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is.
We always people who come in to cook, they a lot of times are used to the gas stoves, and we have electric here for safety reasons.
Yes, I see.
Okay, so what's next?
You see, this is we're going to use the snow peas and then red pepper, and then so this is like mango sauce, a jumbo shrimp, right? So this is what we're going to make today,
Okay.
and so it looks like this is ready.
Okay, that was quick. Just kind of blanching it, really.
Yeah, just put on the bottoms.
It's very colorful. And this is a healthy dish, isn't it?
Yes, and also we have the steamed shrimp here. Steamed jumbo shrimp. So boil the shrimp also. All right. And now I'm going to turn up this. We're ready to cook. All right.
And what are we going to put in there?
So this is a mango sauce. It's basically it's made from like mango paste and some like waters and sugars. Yep. You see this?
Nice.
There we go. You can smell that.
Yeah.
And then we take it out of shrimp from here.
Okay. And you're going to put it in there?
Yes.
And that doesn't take very long at all.
Yeah, I think that is pretty easy dish to make.
It's a very colorful dish.
It
as
is
well,
very
too.
colorful.
And I like to put something like cornstarch a little bit, just make a little bit more sticky.
And make it thicken up a little bit.
It's good to have a nice deep pan for this as well, right?
Yeah.
Oop, we got a snow pea in there. And what's that? Oh, more cornstarch.
Yeah, cornstarch. So I think the mango shrimp is like the sauce is more important. Yep.
And this
So-
is on the menu at OC Chopsticks.
Yeah, it's on the OC chopstick. Yeah, mango shrimp. We also have the curry chickens, pad thai, and the junky noodles. Yeah. So we're good to go now. Turn off this.
Now, is this going to go
Alright.
over on this plate
Yeah.
here?
So I'm gonna put on this.
And set it down
Let's
there.
see. Looks nice.
Ooh, that looks really good.
That a relatively simple dish too.
It
when you
is,
think about
yeah.
it. Look at that.
Get the mangoes in there too.
Yeah, I like the mango.
Oh,
flavors
yeah.
myself.
Now, this is this something you eat with chopsticks? Or do you?
You can eat chopstick or either with a fork.
Oh, okay.
And I like to put some more mango over the tops.
Nice.
Look at that.
That is beautiful.
Right.
All right.
Lisa, you want a fork?
Good.
Yeah, I'll take a fork because I know our time is limited, and me with the chopsticks. Yeah, I'm just going to go
That's right.
ahead and take a shrimp. I think it's going to be really hot, isn't it?
Now, don't burn your mouth.
That's an interesting flavor.
Right?
Very good.
Yeah, so it's like
It's very sweet.
It's more like fruit flavors and the mango. Yeah.
And it's light. It's not heavy.
Exactly. Exactly. All right. Well,
Very
I'm
good.
going to set this aside, and when we come back,
Yes.
we're going to start on the pad thai, right?
Yes.
All right. Stick around. DelmarvaLIfe will be right back.
If you thought these sweet and succulent shrimp were the only things we're treated by today, then that means you've underestimated our guest in the DelmarvaLIfe Kitchen today. That's because Jack Chen from OC Chopsticks is with us this afternoon, and he's showing us his take on pad thai noodles.
All right.
Yes, now it's pad thai times. Pad thai is rice noodles.
Okay, rice noodles.
So this is one of pretty famous of the Thai dishes.
Okay.
So now we have started. So the pan is hot. Put hot oil.
Really hot, yes. And you said it is just the base of many Thai dishes?
Yes. And put some eggs.
And some eggs in there to scramble.
Yeah.
So what is basically, Asian food has a lot of similarities, but Thai versus Chinese, what do you think is the biggest difference?
I think like Thai food for me is like, what's different, like Thai food is more sweeter. They use a lot of like sweet stuff and then like the fish sauce.
Okay.
And also the vinegars and the sweet spicy.
Okay, so sweet, spicy, vinegar.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
And some of it's really spicy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's not, so for Thai spicy, it's not very spicy, just a little bit more. I think the Chinese food is, we can make more spicy than Thai.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, so this is like rice noodles
The rice
for the pad
noodles.
thai, and we're going to put so this is the sauce.
It's the sauce. What's in the
Yeah,
sauce?
the sauce like it's made from like sweet paste,
Okay.
a sweet chili paste, and
Sweet
some
chili
waters
paste.
and the sugars and the vinegar, and we're going to put some water in there too.
Okay.
Right.
And it's all in the timing too, I imagine.
Yeah.
Oh, that smells good.
Have you had pad thai before?
I have not.
You have not?
I mean,
Okay.
I mean, like I've had like the kind of frozen kind. I'm almost afraid to admit
Okay.
that to you. You know, the kind you get in the store. But I don't think I have. I'm excited.
Pad thai, yeah, because so that noodle is not very dry, so you can see some like sauce in there, right? So, yeah. And then we just want to making sure to cook until the rice noodle get a bit soft. Yep.
So we want the rice noodles to be soft.
Yes. Yeah, it's almost ready now. Though.
Almost ready. Okay.
Does it absorb the sauce a little bit?
Yes.
It does?
And then we let the sauce like soak into the rice noodle, so get more on the taster.
Okay.
Okay, we are ready.
All right. So this
All
one
right, let
here.
me do that. All right.
Oh wow! Look at that.
Okay. And then we'll give a little bit decoration.
Some
So usually I will put some bean sprout
bean sprouts. Okay.
on the side. And some basil.
Basil.
And also,
Oh, you gotta have the nuts.
yep, peanuts.
Peanuts, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do know that that's in a lot of Thai food, right?
Usually I will put a piece of the lime too, but I forgot today.
You forgot the lime.
Fine, okay.
Yeah.
And
since
there we
I'm ready,
go. All right.
a fork,
Well, you want to
try
come
this,
over
please?
here and
Sure.
try it?
Let
Switch
me,
places.
we'll slide over here and
Side
give it a
over.
shot.
Okay, it's probably going to be pretty hot.
Hard to get a little bit of everything.
I know. I'm going in around the peanuts.
Peanuts, okay.
Yeah, today is Thai food today.
Thai food. All right, here's,
All right.
I'm blowing
Ooh,
on
it's
a little
hot,
bit.
yes.
It's hot though, yeah. Right?
What a
You like
terrific
it?
flavor.
Yeah. It is
you
a
so
wonderful
much.
flavor.
It's sweet. Very delicious.
Thank you so much.
A little bit of savor.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so
absolutely.
OC Chopsticks is where you can find
Yes.
the pad thai.
Yep, OC Chopsticks in the Ocean City outlet. Yeah. And we also have one, the new open up like Chopstick in Easton.
In Easton,
Yep, it's in the Waterside Village shopping center.
Waterside Village
Yeah,
Shopping Center in
we are
Easton.
across from the Target. Yep.
Okay, and how's that going over? That's your newest one,
Yeah,
isn't it?
that one we opened almost, I think, 1 month.
1 month ago?
Yeah, we're doing pretty good.
Yeah?
over there.
They're good.
We're pretty well, yeah.
Yeah. Well, I recommend everyone go
Good.
try it out because if it's
Nice.
anything like this, you are going to love it.
Yeah.
Jack Chen, OC Chopsticks, thank you so much for coming
You're
in
welcome.
this
I'm
afternoon.
so pleased to be here.
Always good to have you.
Very nice.